how to use LinkedIn Salary Insights feature. To use the LinkedIn's Salary Insight feature, first of all, launch the LinkedIn application onto your device. Once you open it, all you have to do is now go ahead and tap on this Jobs option from the bottom navigation bar. Now use the search bar at the top to search for your precise target job title and the preferred location. Once you type it, go ahead and search for it. You will find the filters button at the top. However, this feature is not yet available within my region, but once you find the filter or the all filters button, go ahead and tap on it. From there, you can head to the salary section. Now you simply have to adjust the slider to your desired minimum pay threshold and click the show results. Once you do this, you now simply have to click on an interesting job listing, scroll through the job descriptions to find the dedicated salary range panel, which displays the estimated annual or hourly compensation bracket. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.